was the giant panda. The giant panda is a mammal omnivorous that in the wild can live 20 years. His size is 4 to 5 feet, and as you can see in the picture, the giant panda is smaller than a man. Well, the giant panda eats bamboo. He can eat 12 hours out of the 24 of the day, and he lives in mountainous regions of China. Well, one of the things that the giant panda can do is sense the smell of males so that they can be separate, because the thing about these giant pandas is that they like to be alone. So when they smell like a male, they get away. But when they smell a female, they use this thing of sense so that they can reproduce. They also can climb 13,000 feet higher slopes in the summer so that they can eat a lot of bamboo. And now Jimena is going to talk about the dolphins.
So this is the other animal we choose, that is a dolphin, and the dolphin is also considered as animal in extinction. So first of all, in general aspects, the dolphin is a highly intelligent, is a marine mammal, and they are part of the family of the whales. The average of gestation period of a female dolphin is 11 to 17 months. So this is approximately too much for being a mammal. Dolphins can live longer. They approximately live like 40 years, but for example, if they are in a park or in captivity, they will live less because they are not like in their own ecosystem. Another important aspect of the dolphins is that they can live in salt water, and also they can live in fresh water. They are most common in the salt water. So dolphins are very special because they also can communicate with other dolphins, and they use 3 different types of communication. That the first one is sound, the second is visual signals, and the third one is body language. Humans can speak, but dolphins can manage their own language. Some of the most common reasons why this animal is in danger is because the hunting, the noise pollution, the water pollution, and the fishing equipment. In this case, the hunters kill the dolphins because for the meat, their skin, and they sell it to the markets or some restaurants, and well, that is bad because they are a beautiful species. And also other types of pollution, maybe they can affect like directly, but with the time and the pass of the years, they affect their body and their ecosystem, and eventually they are going to die. So I recommend that we need to think more about the animals, not just for the dolphins, and we need to try to keep them safe.
I'm going to talk about African elephants. This animal is the biggest in the world and is hunted by humans. Every 5 years, an elephant is born, and something interesting about this animal is that they had 3 fingers in the hind legs and 5 in the front legs. Also, they use a tusk more than the other, and that's why one is smaller than the other. And they length 3 meters and 7 meters width. Also, they weigh 8 tons. Their habitat is a large stretch of water because without water they can't live. Also, they live in Congo and the coast of Africa. Why are they in danger of extinction? One of the reasons is because they have a conflict with humans, and it's because they have a resource competition because they need water and humans also need water, and there's not enough water for both of them. One of the main reasons is that humans kill the elephants to have the tusk and sell it like ivory. In the last years, 90% of elephants in Africa were killed by an illegal trade.